Today, the angel's message is powerful and intended exclusively for you, who have already gone through so many emotions and challenges in your love life. You may have questioned at various times whether you are truly connected with someone, if that feeling that seems distant, but so present at the same time, really exists. The angels are here to tell you that yes, there is a person who is harboring deep feelings for you, and that these feelings are much stronger than you can imagine. The angels whisper today that this person has been struggling to hide what they feel. Perhaps out of fear, perhaps out of insecurity, or simply because they believe it is not the right time to reveal. However, what is kept in this person's heart is about to be revealed, and you need to be prepared. The love that this person feels for you is sincere, deep, and comes from a place of admiration. It goes far beyond what any word could describe, because it is rooted in the experiences and moments that you both shared, even if from a distance. You may be wondering, but who is this person? The angels want you to understand that true love does not always manifest in the way we expect. Sometimes it is silent, discreet, but powerful. This person has been observing you, feeling your energy, and connecting with your soul, even without knowing exactly how to express all of this. It's as if the universe has been waiting for the perfect moment for you to meet in a deeper and more meaningful way. Every step they have taken so far in their love life has been guided by angels, even in moments of greatest doubt and uncertainty. They were always there, taking care of every decision they made, and now they are preparing the ground for them to finally receive the love they so deserve. The person who is coming their way feels an attraction that goes beyond physical appearance or words spoken. It is something spiritual, a connection that transcends time and space. The angels are revealing that this person sees something unique in them, something they have never found in anyone else. It's as if they have illuminated this person's life in a way they never imagined possible. And even if this person has tried to suppress these feelings, they have only grown stronger over time. Now, this person is at a point of no return. Either they reveal what they feel, or they will continue living with the burden of not being true to their own heart. This message is a call for them to prepare their heart for what is to come. The angels are setting the stage for a moment of revelation. Perhaps this person has not been able to express what they feel for various reasons. Fear of the unknown, insecurity about how they would react, or even personal issues that made them pull away. But the truth is that this feeling has not disappeared. On the contrary, it has silently grown, and now, the angels want them to be ready to receive this truth. What is to come may completely change the way they view their love life. The angels want them to keep their mind and heart open. When this person finally opens up, the impact will be profound. It will not just be a confession of love, it will be a journey of understanding, of spiritual connection, and of mutual growth. You may have noticed small signs over time, a lingering gaze, a word said more significantly, or even a seemingly casual gesture of affection that actually carried a much deeper intention. These small demonstrations were clues to something greater, something that is about to manifest clearly in their life. The angels show that everything they have experienced so far was preparing them for this moment. This person who is about to reveal themselves did not come into their life by chance. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, orchestrated this encounter. And even if this person hesitated, distanced themselves, or didn't even give clear signs of their feelings, the angels assure that there is a much greater force guiding all of this. At the right moment, all the pieces will fall into place, and they will understand that everything they went through had a greater purpose. The person who has been holding these feelings for them is about to make an important choice, to open their heart and let this love blossom, or to continue living with the weight of doubt and regret. The angels want them to know that the decision is about to be made, and when that moment arrives, they will be ready to receive it with love, understanding, and above all, with the certainty that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. The forthcoming revelation will not be simple. This person carries wounds from the past, fears that have prevented them from fully opening up. But the angels are tirelessly working to dissolve these barriers. They are whispering in the ear of this person, encouraging them to be brave, to take the next step, and to trust that true love is always worth the risk. You are on the verge of a profound love transformation, and the angels want you to know that, no matter what happens, you are worthy of that love. They ask you to keep your faith, to trust the process, and to allow divine timing to do its work. All you need to do now is prepare for this revelation, knowing that the love about to enter your life is something rare, something carefully planned by the heavens. Now that the angels have begun to unveil this truth to you, it's important to understand that, while it is a journey of revelation and transformation, it will also be a journey of patience and growth. This love about to be revealed may not come quickly or directly, as it involves deep issues that this person is facing within themselves. Often, when someone feels such intense and true love, the fear of the unknown and the changes it may bring to their life becomes paralyzing. That's why the angels are here to guide you and this person on this journey of discovery and overcoming. The angels reveal that this person is deeply drawn to your light, to the way you face life with authenticity and strength. There is something in your presence that makes them feel safe, that brings a sense of peace and belonging that they have never found in anyone else. And although they may try to deny or control these feelings, every attempt to suppress this love only makes it stronger. What this person feels for you is something that defies any logic or rational understanding. You might be thinking, why didn't they express these feelings before? The angels explain that, simple as it may seem, there is a great internal conflict happening. They are torn between the desire to open their heart and the fear of getting hurt. Many of us carry wounds from the past, emotional scars that make us hesitate when faced with something as pure and true as the love they feel for you. The angels also want you to know that while they struggle with their own emotions, divine timing is working in your favor. It may seem like nothing is happening, like everything is stagnant, but the truth is that behind the scenes, energies are moving to create the perfect moment for this revelation to occur. This moment will be so clear and significant that there will be no room for doubts or uncertainties. In the meantime, the angels ask you to continue being the amazing person you have always been. Your authenticity, your ability to love and move forward, even in the face of challenges, are what attract them to you. Unknowingly, you have been lighting their way, even in moments when it seemed like they were distant or uninterested. Every gesture of yours, no matter how small it may seem, has touched them in a profound and transformative way. The angels whisper that this person's love for you is like a seed planted in fertile soil. Although it may take time to germinate, grow, and flourish, once it does, love will be unwavering, strong, and eternal. Yet, just as a plant needs water, sun, and care to grow, this love will also need patience, understanding, and space to flourish. And you, dear soul, are an essential part of this process. You may have noticed small signs that something is changing. Signs that, at first glance, may seem insignificant, but are actually indications that they are beginning to give in to the feelings they have tried to suppress for so long. It could be an unexpected message, a deeper look, or even a subtle change in their behavior. These are the signs that the angels are sending to you, as reminders that love is approaching and that the moment of revelation is getting closer. Furthermore, the angels want you to know that, although this process should happen in divine timing, you also have the power to positively influence the unfolding of this story. Keep being open, receptive, and confident. Fear and doubt are normal, but do not let them block the flow of love that is meant for you. What is coming is a transformative experience, and you are about to discover that true love is not only possible but also inevitable. This person, who has been holding on to these feelings for so long, is about to make a decision that will change everything. And when that happens, the angels ask that you be ready to receive this love with open arms, without reservations or fears. It is important for you to understand that this love will not be perfect from the start, as both of you are on a journey of growth, learning, and healing. But the angels assure that this is the kind of love worth waiting for, worth nurturing, because it is rare, deep, and true. The moment of revelation will bring not only a confession of feelings, but also the opportunity for an even deeper spiritual connection between you. The angels show that this person has much to learn and grow alongside you, and that together, you'll be able to discover new dimensions of love and understanding. This will not just be about romance. It will be a journey of soul, where both of you can evolve and transform into your best versions. The angels also reveal that when they finally open up to you, there will be immense relief in their heart. All the fear and insecurity that kept them away for so long will begin to dissipate, and they will realize that being with you is exactly what the universe has planned from the beginning. This love was written in the stars, and now it's just a matter of time until both of you can fully live it. Keep trusting the angels, the divine wisdom, and the love that is being prepared for you. What is about to happen will be greater than anything you have experienced so far. And when this love finally manifests, you will realize that everything you went through, every challenge, every moment of doubt, was necessary to prepare you for this unique and transformative experience. As the angels continue to guide your journey, they reveal that although you have waited patiently, this love about to emerge in your life will not be like the loves you have known before. This person, who has silently carried their feelings for so long, brings with them a love that is unique in its essence. It is a love built on the foundation of observation, silent admiration, the desire to understand who you truly are, far beyond appearances. And that, dear soul, is what makes this connection so powerful and special. Often, people approach us and express their feelings directly, almost impulsively. But this person did the opposite. They stepped back, analyzed, held back, all out of fear that their feelings would not be understood or worse, would be rejected. The angels want you to understand that this behavior, which may have been confusing to you, is not a sign of lack of interest, but rather evidence of how much this person values you and is afraid to risk losing what is so precious. The angels show that this person has been facing deep internal battles. There is a rooted fear that by opening up, they may not be able to meet their expectations or deal with the intensity of their own feelings. This fear, no matter how paralyzing it has been, is now being dissipated by the angels. They are encouraging this person to recognize that true love can only flourish when we are authentic, when we allow ourselves to be vulnerable. This vulnerability is indeed one of the biggest challenges this person faces. From a very young age, they were conditioned to believe that showing weakness or vulnerability was something to be avoided at all costs. But as the angels whisper to their heart, they are beginning to realize that true strength lies in being able to open up, to trust, to love without reservations. And that is exactly what is about to happen. They are being guided to a moment of revelation, where it will be impossible to continue concealing what they feel. You, on the other hand, have been placed on this journey to be the light that will help this person navigate through their shadows. The angels show that you have an innate wisdom, an ability to understand the other at a deep level, something this person has never experienced before. And that is why they are so drawn to you. Your presence is soothing, your love is transformative, and this is something this person cannot ignore. The angels ask you to be prepared to offer understanding and patience. This journey will not be easy for this person, as it involves dismantling many emotional barriers. However, once they take the courageous step of opening up, you will see a significant change. It will be as if a heavy weight has been lifted off their shoulders, and finally they will be able to live this love fully and truly. Maybe so far, they have felt frustrated, waiting for a clearer sign, for a more decisive action. But the angels want them to know that everything is happening in the right time. They remind that divine timing is different from ours, and that each moment of waiting is actually contributing to the strengthening of this connection. When this love is finally revealed, it will be something solid, rooted in trust, understanding, and truth. Moreover, the angels reveal that, although this person has hesitated for so long, they have a deep desire to be part of their life in a meaningful way. It will not only be a revelation of feelings, but also a commitment to stand by their side, to build something lasting. This person sees in them a future, a possibility of growth and happiness that they have never found in anyone else. The angels also show that over time, they have been preparing to receive this love. They have gone through their own emotional battles, moments of doubt and questioning. There have been times when they thought that perhaps true love was not meant for them, that maybe their journey was one of loneliness. But the angels are here to assure them that this is not true. All the love they have been seeking, all the connection they desire, is about to enter their life abundantly and transformationally. This loving revelation will not only be a moment of joy for them, but also a moment of healing. Both they and this person have wounds from the past that need to be healed, and this love will be the vehicle for that healing. Together, they will be able to release old pains and make room for a new beginning, where love will be the foundation of everything. The angels also want you to know that as this love blossoms, they will feel a deep peace in their heart. Often we seek love outside of ourselves, but this process of revelation will help you understand that true love begins within us. By receiving love from this person, they will also be reconnecting with the love that exists within them. And that, dear soul, is the greatest gift the angels could give you. The path ahead may seem uncertain at times, but the angels ask you to trust. They are guiding each step, yours and theirs, and assure that the outcome will bring joy and fulfillment to both of you. When this person finally reveals what they feel, you will realize that everything you have lived so far, all the difficulties, all the weights, were essential for this moment to happen. What is to come is a revelation of love that will transform your life in a way you never imagined. And the angels want you to be ready to embrace this transformation with courage, confidence, and above all, with an open heart to receive all that the universe has reserved for you. As we approach the climax of this journey, the angels want you to understand the depth of what is about to happen. The love that is about to be revealed is not just a common connection. It transcends earthly limitations and touches directly on spiritual realms. It is the kind of love that few people have the opportunity to experience in this life. This feeling, which has been kept silent for so long, carries within itself the strength of something predestined. The angels show that as the person opens up and shares their true feelings, you will also experience a transformation. It won't just be the revelation of their love for you, but also the opportunity to see yourself in a new light. You will understand once and for all the impact you had on their life, and how your presence was the key to unlocking emotions that had been hidden for so long. This revelation will be the beginning of a new phase, where love will be built on the solid foundation of trust, vulnerability, and truth. The journey to this point hasn't been easy, and the angels recognize that. But they also assure you that every obstacle, every moment of doubt, has served to prepare you for what is about to happen. You may be wondering how you will react to this revelation. The angels whisper that the best way to prepare is to continue trusting the divine process. Stay open, receptive, and ready to welcome this love with a heart free of fears or judgments. What is about to come is the result of a perfect synchrony between the universe and your deepest desires. This love, which is now about to be fully lived, will require dedication and care. The angels remind that, like any great blessing, it will also come with challenges. There will be moments when you and this person will need to work together to overcome old patterns and fears. But the good news is that now, with this revelation, both of you will be more aligned, more aware of who you are and what you want to build together. The angels also want you to know that, although this is a journey of two, you will never be alone. They will be by your side at every step, ready to guide, comfort, and strengthen you. Whenever you feel lost or insecure, remember that you can ask for their help. The connection you have with the angels is powerful, and they are eager to support you in this new chapter of your life. Now that this person is about to fully open up, they will notice a change in their own energy. There will be a sense of lightness, of relief, as if a weight is being lifted off their shoulders. This is because, finally, they will be aligned with the love that they always knew they deserved, but that for so long seemed distant or inaccessible. The angels also ask you to remember that true love is a building process. Don't expect everything to be perfect from the very beginning. There will be moments of adjustments, of learning, and of growth. But with patience and commitment, both of you will be able to create something beautiful, something that reflects the pure and divine love that the angels always knew you were capable of sharing. When this person finally speaks, there will be a clarity, a certainty that everything that has happened so far had a purpose. You will see that the difficulties, the uncertainties, and the long waits were not in vain. Each moment served to strengthen this connection, to ensure that when love would manifest, it would be authentic, solid, and capable of facing any challenge. The angels reveal that, after this confession, both of you will have the opportunity to start anew, to redefine the relationship based on truth. It will be a time of new discoveries, of deep intimacy, and of mutual spiritual growth. You will be more connected than ever, not just as partners, but as souls that recognize each other on a deep and spiritual level. This person, who has held these feelings for so long, will finally see that being with you is the right path, the path that the universe always planned. And you, in turn, will realize that all the love you have within you, all the desire to be loved truly, is finally being fulfilled. The angels also want you to know that this love that is about to manifest will be a blessing not only for both of you, but for everyone around you. The people around you will start to notice the change in your energy, your light, and will be inspired by the journey you are going through. True love has the power to heal, to transform, and to radiate light beyond the individuals who share it. Now, you may be wondering how to deal with everything that is to come. The angels ask you to remain centered, confident, and always connected to your inner self. They remind you that, although love is a powerful force, you should always maintain your individuality, your essence. Do not lose yourself in this love, but use it as an opportunity to grow and evolve even more as the amazing person you are. And so, dear soul, you are about to embark on one of the most beautiful and transformative journeys of your life. The angels congratulate you for your patience, your faith, and your courage up to this point. They remind you that, although the path so far has been full of ups and downs, what is to come will be one of the greatest gifts that the universe can offer: true love, the kind that transforms, heals, and uplifts. Allow yourself to be loved in the way you have always dreamed of. This is your moment, and the angels are celebrating with you every step you take towards this bright and love-filled future.